I'm here at Jorvik Dig to speak to Adam about cutting edge technology. So which of these is the earliest artefact?
Well, the earliest artefact is this the Flint Hand Axe here. This is Paleolithic, which means Old Stone Age. And this is basically your original Swiss army knife. It can be used for everything. It can be used for butchering a carcass. It can be used for chopping down a tree. Now, as the Paleolithic progresses, these tools get a bit smaller, and the flakes that come off of the tool when you're making it from flint, they start being used for more specialist purposes. So you get these very sharp, sharper than surgical steel knives. This one is a transit blade. You also get microliths in the Mesolithic as well. That's Middle Stone Age. In the Neolithic, as you get projectiles technology progressing, you end up with small flint arrowheads like this.
I see this one's got barbs. Why is that?
Well, this is a Mesolithic antler spear tip. It's a barbed point, which means that when you, if you're, say, fishing with it, it prevents the fish from slipping off the end of the barb. So it just secures it in the animal when you're hunting. You'll see the same idea used on the Neolithic arrowhead as well. You've got the barbs pointing backwards. It prevents it from falling out, and that allows you to track things like the blood. It also means you've got something visual on the arrow as well in the animal, so you can track the animal that way as well.
I see these three are metal. Are they from a later period?
They are from a later period. These two are from the Bronze Age. So this is a bronze sword made by mixing copper and tin. The tin strengthens the copper, giving something that can hold an edge that can be sharpened to make a tool or a weapon. This socketed axe head represents a sort of development on that technology. It's hollow cast, which means it's lighter than a comparable sized cast object. It's got a sharp blade here for chopping down trees, and then you have an Iron Age object here. So iron requires much higher temperatures to forge than copper or tin, so it's a lot later.
I noticed these have got numbers on them. What does this represent?
Well, these are original Bronze Age artifacts, so the numbers are basically a catalogue number.
My thanks to Adam and everybody else at Jorvik Dig. Back to the studio.